Hey there everyone, it's Anne here from Digestive Detective. Today I'm dropping in live to talk to you about bloating. So we are on week 3 of the bloating series, and if you haven't seen the other 2 videos, pop back and check them out. You know, there's a lot of information in those ones about bloating. So we're really exploring why we're bloated this month. So far we've talked about what we're eating and the way we're eating it, and today we're going to be talking about how our bodies and our body's abilities to break down the food we eat. So let's get started with that. So our digestive ability, or what I like to call our digestive fire, is really crucial for us to be breaking down foods. As we age, our digestive enzymes production decreases, and that's generally because we've got aging organs as well. Or sometimes it can be because there is and a disease that affects the production of the digestive enzymes. So for example, celiac disease or any sort of pancreatic disorders will help, will also do that. So diets high in processed foods which lack nutrients, they will reduce enzyme production because we need those nutrients to make the enzymes. The next thing that I would say to you, stress plays a really huge part, and whether that's pathological stress or chronic stress that we suffer from our busy lives, that reduces our ability to repair and manufacture those digestive enzymes we need. And I've talked about this quite a lot in the last few weeks. Our bodies don't prioritize our digestion when it's in the fight or flight mode. You know, our body stops digesting the food so we can run away from whatever the threat is that's upon us, and it will definitely cause us to bloat, because when that happens, instead of the food getting broken down, it sits there and it will ferment and stuff, so that will cause us bloating. And so lastly, low hydrochloric acid also affects our digestive enzymes. So our aging in itself will reduce hydrochloric acid production, and so does that nutrient deficiency I just talked about. So our stomach activates the digestive enzymes to break down that proteins that we eat into smaller pieces. So if we have no hydrochloric acid, we have no digestive enzyme. So that can be problematic. Taking in a digestive enzyme will help, but it's not necessarily the only answer. So you can see that it's really critical that we have great digestive fire. So otherwise the food will ferment in our gut, and that will leave us really bloated and uncomfortable. So if you have bloating and you've worked some through of the other strategies that I've talked about in the last couple of weeks and nothing seems to be happening, book in for a free 15-minute and I can give you an action plan on what to do next. Because sometimes it's really hard to see the forest for the trees when it comes to what's happening in your gut, because there's so many things that look alike, it's easy to get sidetracked. So for those of you on Facebook, the link is in the title above us. For those of you on LinkedIn, the link is in the comments, and for those on Instagram, the link is in the bio. So have a fantastic afternoon, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.